In this video, we're going to find the inverse of this function f of x equals to minus square root of 4 minus x to the power of 2 in an interval, and the function x will be in the interval of minus 2, and 0. Okay. First of all, we're going to write x. The output, replacing f of x with y, and this is giving us minus 4 plus 4 minus x squared. Right. Now we can switch y and x by saying, for example, that x equals here to minus the square root of 4 minus y to the power of 2. And now we can square it here. Of course, then we have in here, this is going to give us x to the power 2 equals to squaring this word is going to give us plus, so we have we don't have a square anymore. It's having given us 4 minus y to the power of 2. And here we can add minus 4 here and minus 4 there. That's giving us x to the power 2 minus 4 equals to minus y to the power 2, and we can multiply by minus 1, of course. Multiply by minus 1 to get this minus 1, to get rid of this minus 1 right here. So multiply by minus 1 on both sides, and we obtaining here 4 minus x to the power 2 equals to y to the power 2. And now we can square root it, right? So first one here and the other side. So this is going to give us the square root of 4 minus x to the power 2 equals to y. And now we can replace y by f minus 1, because this is what we're looking for. So f minus 1 will be equal to the square root of 4 minus x to the power 2. And that's the inverse of the function. This is here the inverse of our function. As you can notice, the f of f minus 1 is also defined in an interval of minus 2. Of minus 2 less than equal to x and less than or equal to 0. It is also defined in this interval. Now sketching the function will give us something like this. Now this is our sketch or the graph of our two functions. Now looking at this graph here, we can see we said that f of x was in between, in the interval of minus 2 and 0. It means from here to here, and it is negative, right? Negative. It means that this function here down here. So this is here f of x. Okay, and f minus 1 of x is the same function, but on the positive side. It means this function here, and this is actually the negative function of that other word. So we don't need this one because we're working in this interval of minus 2 to 0. So these two other functions, we don't need them. And we can even say that the inverse of this function is the exact same function. It is the same thing, right? This is here f of x, and that's f minus 1 of x. So it is exactly the same thing. And that's our two function f of x, and is opposite f minus 1 of x.